audience retention and how it relates to your success on YouTube. This is a doing channel, so at the end of this podcast, go out and do. I keep these videos short so that you spend more time practicing and doing than watching videos. Why is audience retention so important? Shorter answer is, it is the key to your success on YouTube. Even if you only have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch time hours, or 10 million short views and are monetized, it doesn't really matter after that. You'll be able to get paid for every single one of your views. So with all those low numbers, you can still make a lot of money just as long as you have videos that have audience retention. How it works is YouTube sells advertising space to companies. Companies will pay for that advertising space. That advertising space will sit in front of your videos. And if you're monetized, you'll get paid for those videos. Here's why it's so important to have a targeted niche. If your videos are targeted towards a very specific audience, advertisers will use you to find that target audience through your YouTube channel. You're really making it a lot easier for them if you do that. And that also increases your likelihood of getting paid from a specific brand or company. I have a video on establishing a niche. Feel free to take a look at that at your convenience. What you want to do is have your audience watch your videos, podcasts, and shorts so that you can get paid for it. And what you want to do is have them watch all the way through. The more people watch all the way through, the more likely YouTube is going to present those videos in front of a very specific audience so that they'll be able to watch that video as well. The more people that like the video, the more people that share the video, the more people that watch it all the way through, the higher percentage you have at getting paid from YouTube. By YouTube promoting it to more people, then you get more advertisement space, you get a bigger paycheck. So basically, a high audience retention is the length that people actually watch your video for. The other thing is, and this is not really related to money, but it does relate to money and building up your audience. If you have a very specific audience that enjoys your videos, they're more likely to come back and watch more videos by subscribing and doing all the things that YouTube asks them to do so that they can catch more of your videos because you have videos that they enjoy. And if it's a topic that they are happy with, that makes it even better. So have a specific niche, be imaginative in your video creation process, and keep making those videos. I will warn you, the likelihood of you starting off making videos that have a high audience retention is actually pretty slim. Unless you've actually got experience making videos or have some sort of education in how to make engaging videos. So what you need to do is practice. And that's why I tell everybody to practice at the beginning and end of these videos. And that's what I'm telling you to do again now. You need to get used to thinking about making creative and engaging videos and keep doing it until it becomes a natural flow of the creation process. So go out there and start making those great videos. I'm Eddie, and I want you to be a YouTube success. So go out there and do it.